Have you ever found yourself staring at a need acceptance message on Vagaro and wondered, what in the world does that mean? If you're a salon owner, a spa manager, a fitness instructor, or anyone who uses Vagaro to manage your appointments and services, chances are you've encountered this phrase. And if you're a client trying to book a service, seeing need acceptance can be just as confusing. Today, we're going to demystify this common Vagaro message, breaking down exactly what it signifies for both service providers and clients, why it exists, and what steps you can take when you see it. For many of us in the service industry, managing appointments effectively is the backbone of our business. We rely on platforms like Vagaro to streamline our schedules, manage client information, and ensure a smooth flow of operations. But sometimes, a seemingly small detail like need acceptance can throw a wrench in the works, or at least leave us scratching our heads. Is it a glitch? Is something wrong with the booking? Or is it simply a feature designed to offer greater control and flexibility? The answer, as we'll explore, leans heavily towards the latter. Let's start by understanding need acceptance from the perspective of a service provider. That's you, the salon owner, the therapist, the trainer. When a client books an appointment with you through Vagaro and your booking settings are configured to require acceptance, that appointment won't be automatically confirmed. Instead, it will appear in your Vagaro calendar or dashboard with the status, need acceptance. This means that you, as the provider, need to review the booking request and manually approve or decline it. Think of it as a virtual handshake before the deal is sealed. Why would a service provider choose to have this need acceptance setting enabled? There are several compelling reasons. Firstly, it offers a crucial layer of control. Imagine you're a massage therapist who specializes in deep tissue massage, and a client accidentally books a prenatal massage. With need acceptance, you can review the service, perhaps contact the client for clarification, and adjust the booking as needed before confirming. This prevents miscommunications and ensures that both you and the client are on the same page regarding the service being provided. Secondly, need acceptance is invaluable for managing your time and resources effectively. Perhaps you have limited staff on certain days, or specific equipment is only available at certain times. When you receive a booking request, you can quickly assess if you have the capacity and resources to fulfill it at the requested time. If a conflict arises, you have the opportunity to communicate with the client and offer alternative times, rather than having an automatically confirmed booking that you later have to cancel or reschedule, a scenario that can lead to frustrated clients. Thirdly, it's a powerful tool for managing new clients or special requests. If you're running a promotion that requires a consultation before booking, or if a client has specific needs that might require extra time or preparation, need acceptance allows you to initiate that conversation. It gives you the chance to understand their requirements fully, ensure you can meet them, and set expectations upfront, leading to a much better client experience in the long run. It's about proactive management rather than reactive problem solving. Now, let's switch gears and look at need acceptance from the client's point of view. As a client, when you try to book a service on Vagaro and you see the need acceptance message, it simply means that your requested appointment isn't confirmed yet. It's essentially a pending request. You've sent out an invitation to the service provider, and now you're waiting for them to RSVP. For clients, this can sometimes be a point of confusion because many online booking systems offer instant confirmation. However, understanding that need acceptance is a deliberate choice by the service provider can help alleviate any anxiety. It's not a sign that something is wrong with your booking. It's simply part of their established process. What should you do when you see it? Typically, the best course of action is to simply wait. The service provider will usually review the request within a reasonable time frame and either accept it, decline it, or propose an alternative time. It's also worth noting that some service providers might have a policy of contacting clients directly before accepting certain bookings, especially for complex services or new clients. So, if you've requested a service and see need acceptance, keep an eye on your email or phone for a communication from the business. They might be reaching out to confirm details, clarify your needs, or offer a slightly different time slot. So, how do you, as a service provider, manage need acceptance bookings in Vagaro? When a client submits a booking request that requires acceptance, you'll typically receive a notification either within your Vagaro dashboard, via email, or even as a push notification on your mobile device if you have the Vagaro app. You'll then navigate to your calendar or appointment section within Vagaro. The pending appointment will be clearly marked with the need acceptance status. From there, you have a few options. You can click on the appointment to view its details, including the client's name, the requested service, the date, and the time. Based on your availability, resources, and any other relevant factors, you can then choose to accept the appointment, decline it, or propose new time. If you propose a new time, Vagaro will send a notification to the client with your suggested alternative, and they'll then have the option to accept or decline your new proposal. This back-and-forth communication, while seemingly an extra step, is precisely what allows for that crucial flexibility and control. Ultimately, need acceptance on Vagaro is a powerful feature designed to empower service providers with greater control over their schedules and bookings, leading to more efficient operations and better client experiences. For clients, it's simply an indication that their requested appointment is pending review. Understanding this concept can help both parties navigate the booking process smoothly and effectively. It's not a hurdle, but rather a deliberate and beneficial part of how many successful businesses manage their valuable time and resources. So next time you see need acceptance, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes and how to proceed, whether you're the one offering the service or the one eagerly awaiting your appointment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.